Selamlar, sizlerle birlikte bir neselim olsun sizlerle birlikte bugün nafer bugün biz nefsimiz karma momentlerde ko'rатын bo'lamiz futbolda. Ancha bastayıq. Yaman. Karma Cristiano Ronaldo, Kevin De Bruyne. Матч какого конца? Гол! Дубль соединения. Ой, давай, дубль. Хэт-трик? Ой, бай, хэт-трик. Ya karma.
Checking in. Bernardo Silva.
Messi boss.
Goal scorer. Here he is again. That's astonishing.
If you want to be able to play a Euro final, you need to be able to do a bit more than he's done.
Lamine Yamal.
Ой, Pickford was in town. Oi, Alisson. Pickford the karma. Balotelli is crazy man.
Balotelli aldı yine. Balotelli.
Uy bay.
Fark 1'e indi. Balotelli'nin golü. Skor 3-2'ye geldi 79. dakika.
Arda Güler. Arda Güler. Öyle diye de gol. Ne var?
Turkey was stuffed in March by Austria, but they might be getting their ultimate revenge.
Well, like usual, like everyone says, I always scored in small games, so I think today must have been a small game again.
Must have been a small game again. Too far. Rodrigo gana Barcelona. Oi, Tavares. Zidane. Sapori berkembang. Bruno Fernandes. Terus Jo Alejandro Garnacho. Ya. Kemana Bruno? Alejandro Garnacho. Kopenhagen Fox'u Ekramot 3 minuttan keyin Vajimdi. Tamam.
high anxiety. Oh,
Man!
this is disgraceful.
Yeah, but Grealish.
Physically attacked Jack Grealish. Grealish.
Остановиладан. Битканго кателескен жесткий кылып, кателескенде
There
Мобильной онлайн-игре Arizona Online. Здесь тебя ждет большой открытый мир, живые...
Sweet, sweet moment for Jack Grealish. Weidenfeller leads the protest. Sicilian scored on the seventh.
This is the Sergio Aguero you just see.
Telly, and he doesn't total belief.
Brings it out to the right hand side. Carvajal, first time we've seen him get forward. Tracked back by Neymar. Just needs a little bit on Carvajal. And no surprise to see the reaction from the Neymar. Iniesta. Oh, a little bit of you gave me one earlier. This one back from Carvajal. Never disguised that time.
Arjen Robben faces
Robben.
Weidenfeller. The whistles of the crowd. Equalised for Bayern. And Weidenfeller saves. That could be the title-clinching save of the season. Richmond's done well. Robben is there. Arjen Robben.
أنا غمر باي خلينا
Munich. To continue his great
نقول
career
كده
here at Wembley.
يمكن ما نشوف كده
With 90 seconds on the clock.
يمكن ما نشوف
Robben racing.
يمكن ما
Rolled it
نشوف
into the net.
لا يصير طيب بيدرجوش يبرر باصنا برتينا يا باصنا برتينا
Shortish.
Running
deep towards Ibrahimovic. Just
يا صندوق
Not at the Bournemouth. I think that's an even
باصنا برتينا
elbow to Mings. Mings is on the ground. Deary.
Идё, Вань, Шантармен. Шантармен. Погба! Гол! Come on. Погба. Пермитенген. Quello di Pietro. Con.
to be the tallest man in the place. Well, you have to ask the question if the delay got in the mind of Erling. Upamecano's fallen over. Jake scores!
Anthony.
Erling Haaland, back in Munich, and powering Manchester.
Suarez.
Keeping defenders on their toes is involved in a bit of a dispute at the moment.
Salai.
Talked about race the title for Manchester United, the battle for challenge.
Дехея, не ситуация, Дехея.
The United player. And it is United who've won it, and Evra is enjoying the moment fully.
Colegiado que va a dar el visto bueno.
Хакими.
Y ahí va.
Виртуозно
Con el
взлетели,
penalti bajo palos Arnautenas.
Вартар,
Va
претензия
el 9 de
Вартар.
Marruecos.
Гол!
La selección marroquí que estrena el
España,
El
selección.
rechace se lo lleva Fermín, va a sacar el
Otro
golpe.
Indian.
Buen balón para Juanlu dentro del área.
Comeback. Comeback lo запустил, тем более. Гарнанчо.
Just slightly too far in front of Garnacho. Painful one into the boards for Kingsley Coman. Turns it back inside towards Muller, on by Kane. Here's the chance for Bayern Munich, 1-0. Kingsley Coman with the goal.
Жарайды ендеше кешірім сұраймын. Видеоны аяқтайық. Сіздермен болған Нофер. Всем пока-пока.